Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to cover an essential skill for tech interviews, technical storytelling. This is all about explaining your complex technical projects in a clear, concise, and compelling way. Technical storytelling is a skill you can use in many types of interviews, whether it's for system design, code challenges, design discussions, deep dives, or even casual chats with a hiring manager or behavioral questions. Each format might have a different focus, but at the core, it's all about telling your story effectively. To help you master this, I'll walk you through a real example from one of my own projects focusing on internationalization. By the end of this video, you will have a solid framework to structure your technical stories for interviews. Let's start with setting the context. Imagine you are in an interview and they ask about a project, no matter it's about the i18n or not. You can start like this. Picture this. I was working on a web app for a global audience as part of Disney's 100th anniversary celebration on TikTok. To reach a broader audience, we needed to support multiple languages and regional formats. We used a new internal framework similar to React Native but built for web, like a PWA. Next, you want to define what you were trying to achieve. Our main goals were to 1. Support multiple languages, 2. Handle different data and time formats, 3. Correctly display currencies, 4. Accommodate RTL, left to right to left languages like Arabic. We needed to integrate all of this into our existing code base without affecting ongoing development and keep the user experience consistent. After defining the goals, we have to go into implementation, and we have to think about several key areas associated. Just we mentioned the goals: text translations, data and time formatting, support for RTL languages. By outlining these areas, it shows that you have already thought through the problem from multiple angles. Of course, there were challenges. One big issue was that the internal framework we were using didn't support the Intel JavaScript library, which we needed for data and time localization. This limitation meant we couldn't use shared methods to handle time zone differences. It's a tight deadline. We needed a workaround. After discussions with the infra team, we realized we couldn't get Intel support in time. Since delaying wasn't an option, we decided on a temporary solution, manually handling data formatting for specific countries. This involved writing customer logic for time zone differences, which allowed us to meet the deadline while maintaining user experience. So what was the result? The project launched on time, and our solution worked well. Later, we worked with the infra team to add i18n support for better maintainability and future localization efforts. This experience shows the value of balancing short-term fixes with long-term solutions.
Structuring your answer around the context, goals, considerations, expected issues, trade-offs, and results.
You can effectively showcase your problem-solving skills in interview. If you found this video is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.